In this video, I'm about to show you how you can swap face in Photoshop. Very simple and easy to do. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Over here, I make videos about Photoshop, Illustrator, and graphic design in general. If it sounds like something you are interested, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Let's get into the video. Okay, so these are the images that I have. There's Ronaldo here and then Messi over here. You can choose to swap any of their faces. Okay, so first of all, let's select the face. To select the face, you come over here, you right click on this tool, and then you select lasso tool, and then you select around the face. My mouse is not working properly for me, but I'll try something like this. And then you right click and you layer via copy, and you press on V on the keyboard, and then you move it to the other layer where Messi is, and then you place it on it like that. Over here, you make sure that Messi's layer unlocked, so you click on the padlock over here to make sure the layer is unlocked, and then you select the layer 1, that is the face of Ronaldo. Ctrl T on the keyboard to resize, and then resize it nicely on the face. You can take your time and do it well to your preference. Okay, so something like this I think is okay for me. Let's bring it up small. Okay, it's okay now. And then to proceed, you have to select this layer, so you press on Control and you click on the thumbnail, and this layer must select, and then you click on layer 0 and you come over here to select, move on to modify, and then contract 5, or you can move it to 6. Yeah, so 5 and 6, so 5 here. Okay, whilst the layer 0 is selected, you press on backspace on the keyboard to delete the old face. So as you can see, Messi's face is missing now, so we are replacing it with Ronaldo's. Okay, so you press on Ctrl D to deselect the selection, and then you select all the layers. So to select all the layers, as layer 0 is selected, you press on Control on the keyboard and click on layer 1 to select both of the layers, and then you move all the way to edit, and then to auto blend layers, and then you make sure that here is this same settings, and then okay, voila, we are done with it. So as you can see, there are some small adjustments that you can do about it. When I do it, the video will be too long, so you can take your time and make those adjustments to suit your preference. So you can use the adjustment layer to adjust it. You can use the curves here to make sure that everything is on point, or the levels to make sure that everything is on point. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and like this video as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to learn more about Photoshop, Illustrator, and even graphic design in general, click the video on the screen. Until next time guys, quench not your creativity. Peace.